Hi, today in this video, my name is Chef George. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I want to show you how to prepare your creamy chickens and serve with your floppy mashed potato. Kindly wait till the end of this video as to get details, recipes and method of preparations on how to get this dish done. Let's do it. I first butterfly or cut my chicken breast into two, season with salt, seasoning cube, and also cinnamon with black pepper. Then marinate it and leave it for like 10 minutes. Bring it out of the marination, pass it through dry flour the way I've done, and then egg wash. Take it back to the dry flour again, and then set the chicken aside. In a pan, ensure that you have your butter, whether salted or unsalted butter, and then heat the pan together with the butter, allow to melt, add it up with your vegetable oil, then shadow fry the chicken breast till it gets to a golden brown color, the same way I am doing my own. This is going to be a banger dinner or lunch. Ensure you watch till the end of this video. Then after this, I'm going to remove the chicken breast out, then reduce the fat from the pan, and then add a little butter to it, saute in my chopped onions and stir it to combine to ensure that the flavor is well blended and combined. Then I'm going to add some slice of mushroom, saute to ensure that it's brown and cooked, with some jumbo cut of baby carrot, and then add some dry paprika to it. Mix all to ensure that it's combined. Then top it up with your cooking cream to have this consistency and flavor. Increase a bit with your chicken stock, clear chicken stock to it. Bring it to simmer, then bring it back the chicken breast that you already shadow fry to have a chicken and a nice sauce. See how yummy this dish is. Also correct your seasoning by adding some salt, then garnish with some bell pepper, both red and both yellow bell pepper and then green bell pepper. Then I want us to do our mashed potato. Parboil your potato after peel, then allow it to soft. In a bowl, turn it together and then add some unsalted butter and then mash it this way. Top it up with your heavy cream, then mix also combine with your spoon, and then you are almost done. Let's do the plating. This is a restaurant standard. Then plate it exactly this way that I'm plating my own. Your dinner or your lunch is ready. If this is your first time on my page, kindly like, comment, and now share this video. If there is any recipes you want me to talk about, please put it in my comment section and I'm going to address it to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.